back to Waldron 3D Workshop. Super excited to share with you the now finished zebra and crocodile sculpture. Really like how the metal striping turned out on the zebra, as well as the mohawk mane, of course. And I love the river water. And you know, as the zebra and crocodile are swimming through it, how it's splashing and super choppy, and it just adds so much life and dynamic expression and movement to the overall sculpture. I really like how the crocodile, you can just, they're so stealth, and so you can just see, you know, his eye and part of his head and a little bit of his body and then a little bit of his tail as the river water is splashing around him and kind of washing over him as he's pursuing the zebra. And it's just really a wonderful sculpture. I really love it, and as always, it represents the season that we've been in while I've been creating this, and it just, you know, speaks to the work that God's been doing in us and in our lives. And specifically, that's represented in the river crossing from the old land that now offers no life, and then crossing this threshold into the new land of life and promise and hope. And I really love how it speaks to how the zebra needs to stay focused and on the new land and on the promise, and believing that he can get across, because the crocodile wants to do anything that he can to dissuade and discourage and distract the zebra so that he can overtake him, so he doesn't come out of that water. And we're coming out of that water, crossing that threshold, and now we're just looking at this amazing landscape that God has prepared for us of life and promises, the new everything, the new self, the new way of looking at things, the new, you know, heart and mind and the way of thinking of things and reacting and responding to things. It's just, we've already been tasting of this new, and we're so grateful for it, and the life that it's nourishing us with. And so we're just happy to share this with you and in this medium, and I hope that you've enjoyed this process, and look forward to the next one.